Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Snapchat location. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Snapchat open here. To pull up the location or the snap map, all you have to do is tap the bottom at the very bottom left here, the little pin. So that will show your snap map and your location. If you want to stop sharing this or turn off the Snapchat location, you have two different options. And I'll walk you through those two different options. One is you can tap on the settings icon at the top right here. And what you can do is turn on ghost mode. And it says, when enabled, your friends can see your location. So basically means that Snapchat can access your location. However, it's not sharing that with any people that you follow or any of your friends. I don't know about you, but I don't necessarily always trust these apps to not kind of track me. So if you want to fully turn off your location to Snapchat and not give it any access to it, you can follow these steps. So let's get out of here and then go into your settings. You will scroll down until you get to privacy and tap privacy. You can see at the very top location services, and then you can just scroll down until you find Snapchat, and here's Snapchat. So this is the setting in your iPhone that says whether to allow Snapchat to get to know you, gain access to your location. You can just tap never here and then go back, and you can see Snapchat says never. So that's how officially and fully turn off your location to Snapchat, so that it doesn't have any access whatever to your location. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.